turn down this a little bit. Tell me if the audio levels are not that great. But here we are, let's go. My phone, okay, I'm just gonna use my phone to read the chat here. I'm just gonna do that. Okay. Alright, so today what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be working on shopkeepers, because I've actually never, made a shopkeeper before. So I'm gonna add that to the engine because in Dust Tale there wasn't any shopkeeper, so I didn't need it. So Luke actually revealed this guy, Rux, on his Game Duel page today, and he's in fact a shopkeeper. So he's looking pretty cool, and yeah, we're gonna be making him a shopkeeper today. So I guess what I should start with is probably a script. We'll call this shopkeeper. How are y'all doing today? Okay, so we got a script here. I don't know, how did this one work? Yeah, Luke has some really good sprites going. Glad you're doing good, Foxy Loves Sands. Just gonna listen to the soundtrack for a bit. It's only 15 minutes long at this point, but we'll switch to something else. So here's event. Oh, so I actually did this in event. Okay. So let's see. In Undertale, shopkeepers, you just walk into a room and it's shopkeeper. Yeah. Okay. So I need probably something like a load zone. Here we go. Again, we'll be using the ruins as a test world here. Alright. So what is this thing? This is way over here. Shopkeeper will be... Let's make it this door. Right here. Where's that load zone? There we go. Let's get that off. This song is really cool. I like this one. Tell me if there's any like audio problems, if the music is too loud or whatever. Okay. Audio levels are good. So we got this here. We're gonna call this Shop Zone. And we have the 2D box collider here. Yeah, because, yeah, okay. Mesh render, I don't need that right now, but I mean, that's what it looks like if you want to see that. So move that. Add component. Thank you. Shop, oh, nope. Shopkeeper, we're gonna add that. So, for now, I just want the player to actually just stop. So let's go into the load zone script and figure out how to detect when it hits it. Oh, here we go. Right here. Okay, got that. We're gonna copy paste. That's easy. And oh, I see. Boop. Hey, Mawau. Mawau? I think that's how you pronounce it. Forgive me if I butcher your usernames. Hit.tag equals player. Yeah. We're gonna say hit. Oops. Enter, please. Work with me. There we go. So hit .gameObject .getComponent. Manage. Wow, yeah, okay, good, I got it right. Manage player can move. So I set that equal to false, so that when you hit the thing... Oh wait, this isn't right. Oop, come on. I see your comment. Wow, just 1 second. Okay. So I've recently started learning to code, also in Python, so this should be interesting. I believe I came to stream before, but I don't really know. Yeah, that's really cool. I actually did a little bit of Python. Yeah, just a tiny bit. And then I moved to Unity pretty soon after that. I actually started out with a programming language called Scratch. It's like an online... It's kind of for kids. It's pretty simplified, but it was fun. I don't know if any of you know what that is. Yeah, that's really cool. Okay, so we're gonna... So when I get to that runes door, it should just... Oh, Foxy loves Sands, you know Scratch. That's cool. Yeah, I spent a lot of time with Scratch. A lot of time there. There's actually a lot of Undertale stuff on Scratch. Oh yeah, I made an item here. What does this say? You see a literal sword lying on the ground. It's kind of a tiny sword, though. Pick up the sword? Yes, I will. Wise choice. Cool. Okay. Oh, and wow, you know Scratch as well. Yeah, that's why I moved on. Scratch is just too you can't really do anything with Scratch. You need actual code to make stuff. Perfect. So it stopped. Love that. Now what? Okay, so now we need a group like this that shows when there's a shopkeeper. So I don't think they'll, yeah, okay. Okay, so shopkeeper, I'll just say shop objects here. I wonder if I did forget about that. Okay, cool. Never mind. It's not a problem. I thought it was a problem and it wasn't. Yeah, that's exactly what I think, Mawile. Scratch is too simplified to do things with, but it actually really helped me learn programming concepts. So that was cool. Yeah, like you said, how it fits things together and everything. Okay, so here's the canvas. Scroll out here. Let's grab a raw image here. No. Yes. No. Yes. Yes. Okay. And let's go to white. Oops. White cube. Is it showing? Wait, what? It's not showing. Yeah, Scratch is for beginners, yeah. It was fun though, I had fun with it when I was littler. I cannot seem to... Maybe a sprite would be better? Image. Put that guy in. Delete this. Whites. Oh, that's fun. Nothing's showing. Yeah, it definitely helped with forming move sets and everything. Yeah, and messing with actual code. That's where it starts to get fun, is when you start messing with actual coding. We're gonna quit this now and go into this music. Okay, I have no idea why my stuff isn't showing. That's kind of annoying. Why isn't anything showing? Oh my gosh, okay, I'm done. Never mind, the canvas was turned off. Okay, there it is. Wow, that's nice. Okay, now we're rolling. So we're going to go like that. So that's the background for the shopkeeper. Maybe I'll make it less white. It's kind of terrible. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I've totally wanted to develop games for a while too, Malal. It's really fun, actually. That's why I do it. It's not for everyone, though, honestly. It's a lot of work. But if you have fun with it, then yeah, definitely go for it. That's cool that you have a bunch of ideas. Sometimes ideas are hard to come up with, actually. I am basically writing nothing in this game. I'm just programming for it. Okay, so shop objects, we're gonna go in here. Canvas. You know what, I'm gonna make a game object variable here. Canvas. Void start, boom. Oh, and yeah, music and stuff too. That I cannot make music for the life of me. I am not a musical. Well, I'd say I'm a musical person. I'm in choir and stuff like that, but making music is different. It's hard. So I admire you for that, Foxy Love Sands. Let's get this thing's showing up. Wait, what is this song? Well, that's cool. You're getting some work done, Malal. Yeah, that's awesome. Are you saying, do you do music for your games then too, Malal? What am I doing? Gotta focus. Oh yeah, music is really cool. To like the stuff that Luke's makes is really cool. I like that. So that's cool. You make music. And yeah, Megalovania remakes are always fun. Oh, it's loading. What's it doing? Okay. So it's the child object, so I need to 0, 12, okay. So it's number 12. Canvas, the get child? Nope, transform, yeah. Get child. 12. Dot game object. Dot set active. Sure. Yeah, I'd recommend Unity if you want to try an engine in making games. It's pretty good. But you can do a lot of stuff in Python too, I think. But like I said, I didn't do Python too much, so I'm very inexperienced with that. Alright, so turn the canvas off again, because that's how the game has to start. And let's test this thing. So basically it should just show that gray screen I made, or whatever. Perfect, except it's giving me an error here. Oh, this is something else. Never mind, here's what that's not part of. That is not part of what I am working on at the moment. Okay, so let's get in there. There it is. Cool. And okay. I think that's fine. That looks fine enough to me. Let's duplicate this guy. Shopkeeper. Oh, really? Battlefield 2 was made in Python? That's crazy. I didn't know you could do that in Python. Yeah, honestly, any programming language is a good way to start. Which sounds kind of like, but alright, not really. There we go. And he needs to be brighter because colors are fun. He'll be placeholder guy, like up here. Yeah, best game right here. Game of the Undertale fan game of the year right here. Of the century. And so Foxy, you want to make some simple Undertale battles, but it can't. Yeah, it's a process. Alright, so now we need a simple text box, which I believe I can just make. Box, lining, inner. And we can just do a little bit of this. Perfect. Okay, so there's that done. Let's get Rux a little bit higher here. There we go. Okay, so now we got that. We need a few options here. Yeah, we need some text. So what is text, actually? Let me look that up. Shopkeeper. Images. Okay, here we go. Buy, sell, talk, exit. And then your gold's right there. Okay, so it's like split in the middle. Okay. Alright. Oh, if you want to get into music, get a keyboard. Yeah, that's a really good idea, actually. Just mess around on the keyboard or whatever. Determination, there we go, right font here. 30? Maybe? How big do I need this font size? Probably bigger than that. How big is it in here? It's pretty big. Maybe... Oh, the battle box is extended upward. It looks... Do you mean the text box here? Because it looks like it's flush with the floor. Oh, and you use a simple app to make music, Foxy. That's pretty cool. Like GarageBand or something. It's like half the screen. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. Oh, you're totally right. Huh. Yeah, maybe I'll extend that. Let's extend that a little bit. Yeah, okay. Then inner we can... Yeah, I use GarageBand and a dubstep app, that's cool. Okay, and then we gotta get Rux a little bit higher. Oh, then his hat's cut off. Yeah, we'll play with it. Maybe a little bit lower. Maybe I'll... Oh, free programs are pretty nice to use, yeah. What's it called? LMMS. It's cool. Okay, there we go. I think that's a little better. Can always change it later as well. Okay, let's get a group just so I can be organized or whatever. Oops, not that. It's, options. We'll call it. I literally forgot again. Okay, buy, sell, talk, exit. Oh, sound fonts. That'd be cool too. Buy. Okay, here we go. Buy. Okay. Oh yeah, I need that one part. So let's go call this line. white here. And go like this. There we go, that looks better. Okay, there we go. Have you ever thought of any original game ideas? Yeah, I think I will get into that eventually. I'll publish something eventually. So, that'll be cool as well. I'll be sure to post something on Game Jolt when I do it. And thank you. Wow. Buy, sell, talk exit. Oops. Talk, exit. Oops. Whoops. Okay, wait. Whoops. We gotta get this guy down. There we go. Exit. Exot. I can't spell apparently. Exitier. Come on, there we go. Okay. Then we need gold and inventory space. So let's do that. You should fix the movement in your games. Find it pretty good, but I think it's a bit off. Okay, well, thank you. Like, how so? Is it too fast or like something? Okay, gold. No, wait. Yes. 0G. Cool. And then inventory space. 0 out of 8. Okay. There we go. Something like that? Yeah. Getting there at least. None of this is final. We can always change that. I feel like these should be a little bit smaller, but they aren't in this picture. So maybe not. Maybe they all need to be a little bit. I don't know. We'll start with this for now. We'll start with this. Okay, so what we're gonna do first is we're gonna something to do with how slippery they were. Okay, yeah. It's possible that's just because I think my movement speed is faster than Dusttail. So that could be some of it, at least. And I'm using Unity, so that's different than using GameMaker. Okay, so what I want to happen is these to update, depending on how much. So how much gold does the player have right now? 0, I'm assuming. Yeah, let's give him like 100. So when that happens, it goes. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's. Yeah, I think Unity or GameMaker would. Yeah, I like Unity just because I feel like I can do more with it, and I don't know GameMaker, so it'd be fun to learn GameMaker though eventually. Thank you for the tip though. Okay, gold. Yeah, that's right. So we're gonna. Okay, we're gonna have to change this. Gold shop. Gold shop. I'm not, okay. My last stream I accidentally muted myself, so props to me for that. So now I'm just totally paranoid that I'm gonna mute myself again. because that would be lame. Okay, gold shop, get component. We're gonna have to go up here and this. Yeah, cool. Get component. Gold shop, get component. Manage player. No. Text. So Discord server. Yeah, I actually do have a Discord server, but I'm not very active. I'm not sure what I think of Discord yet, to be honest. It's interesting. Maybe I'll have to kind of redevote some effort to that. But at the moment, the server's a little bit dead. And then it's this again. We get the amount of gold you have. Boom. Plus G. So that'll update that. And then inventory space. It's going to be a little bit harder to do. No, we'll just make a loop. Yeah, I suppose you could say it's sketchy. Let's make a temporary int at the moment. For int count, we'll call it. And we're gonna make a for loop here. I is less than. Alright, sorry about that. Yeah, spoopy yeah, that's true. People can always link some interesting stuff. Manage player. Okay, inventory. That's what I want. Inventory. Yeah. And then I plus. Yep. Okay, good. So now we're gonna if. Oh gosh. Okay. Wait. Yeah. Okay. If this I equals this. No wait. This. Yeah, okay. Wait, you can't do that. I is less than, oh yeah, the length, duh. Count plus. So every time it finds an empty space, it's gonna add it up, and it could have 8, which would mean there'd be 0. So then what we're gonna do after you go that, you're gonna find, what's it called? What do I call it? Inventory space. Oh, no problem. Yeah, messing around with code, that's cool. Totally go for it. That's what I'm doing. Inventory space. Okay. So this is gonna be /8. Then we're gonna add 8 minus count. Yeah. Okay. So let's test this. Hope it doesn't go horribly wrong. Yeah, I'm totally still learning. I've got lots to learn. Oh, yeah, obviously this is supposed to. See, I did that wrong. Just learning. Oh wait, I didn't do that wrong. What? Or did I? Yeah, you can definitely see some programming problems, not gonna lie. I risked like 6 or 7 patches to Dusttail, so it's all a learning process. It's not a huge deal. Let's go like that. Yeah, everyone makes mistakes. It's true. Especially when you're programming. Mistakes come up all the time. Okay. So we're good. Let's test this thing. Why can't I move? Why can't I move? That's disabled. How did that get disabled? Why is that disabling itself? What the heck? Oh, because... yeah. There we go, now we're moving. Let's... yeah. Alright. So what's up? Oh. Oh, I see, okay. So, as you can see, we have 100 gold, so that's right. But we also have negative 120 inventory space. So that's great. I didn't even know you could have negative inventory space. I'm gonna do something real quick. We're gonna turn this on really quick. Then we're gonna go. And sorry about this. And there we go. Alright. There we go. And we're back. Okay, so let's get rid of this negative inventory space thing. Not muted, cool. So what happened? I think this just happened more than once. Gotta love that negative inventory space. No, I don't want, okay. So we're gonna make a boolean here. I don't want to call it. How long have I been streaming, actually? That's a good thing to know. Doesn't say. Oh, 38 minutes. Okay. Cool, okay. We'll call it is going. The start, obviously, is going to be false. And then once it starts, is going to be true. Oh, come on, there we go. And this has to be false. Basically, I'm just making it so it only does all of this once. Because I think it was doing it multiple times, and that's why you got. Yeah, I don't even know what that would mean. I guess you just disappear and it. That's funny. Alright, here we go. There we go. Now we're good. Now we got 0, as you can see right here. What is this? Is this still? Yeah, I don't care about that. Okay, so now we're going with that. Well, actually, I should test. I'm gonna put. Here, I'm gonna put an item in my inventory and make sure it counts right. So I'll grab this sword, which is a test object. It's actually a test object in Dusttail. Yep, we're good. Cool. So now we need a selector. Grab this canvas. Should I do selection? Yeah, let's do selections, okay. Yeah, that'd be a great quest, actually. You just try and get enough items so you can actually store items. That's funny. UI image. Oops. So this will be our selector for now. Yeah. We'll make it. I'll definitely be changing this eventually. Yeah, 120 items would be a ton. Alright, so I will change this eventually. This is just a placeholder. We'll call it shop. Oops. Oops. Shops select. And then we're going to have a game object for select. And once it goes like this, select. I can't even type. Come on. Select equals game object. Find shop select. Thank you, Noel. Yeah, I think it's especially what Luke's doing. He's all the music and stuff, and obviously I can't spoil anything, but the writing seems to be turning out pretty cool too. So I'm excited to release the demo whenever that comes out. So now we need. I think we need an update function. And we need a way to select things. So, okay, so if is going. If is going, we're gonna go if input, if input dot get key code dot. So I'm expecting after you finish with the runes would be similar to original. Oh, okay. Undertale and possibly Dust Tales demo. Never played it until release, sadly, so I don't know. Yeah, the Dust Tale demo actually went, because the runes is a little bit shorter in Dust Tale and Snowdin's a little shorter, it actually had the ruins and Snowdin for the demo. So we'll have to see how that works out for this one. It's possible we might go for a longer demo, which would be fun, I think. A little more satisfying to play. Okay, there we go. Boom. Okay, and then we need a int for to keep track of what state you're in. What state? So, if, how many, okay. So we have 4 options, so there's going to be 4 states. Oh, that'd be great, actually. Just do the whole game for a demo, but you can only do neutral. 0, 1, 2, 3, okay. Yeah. So when you go up, if state does not equal 0, we're gonna go from, nope, never mind. We're gonna go from bottom. So wait, 3, 3, 2, 1, 0, yeah. So we're gonna start with 3, state plus plus. Yeah, I think that works. And then if state does not equal 0, state. Okay, so let me make sure that's working. Might have to make that public int so I can see it. Yes, we are doing some tracking. So if I know the state number, then I can know what's supposed to happen when you press Z, and also where the cursor is supposed to be. Oops, I messed up. This is supposed to be off. This one. Okay, there we music is interesting. I've never heard it before. Okay, here we go. So let's go to the shop. No. Where did I put the... Oh, I made it like a... Yeah, that's right. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, states 3. So if you go down, it goes to 0. Yeah, that's wrong. That's totally wrong. So if you see over here, when I press... Oh, hey, Foxy. Welcome back from disappearance. It's going too fast, I believe. So when I press up, it goes right to 3, and down it goes right to 0. It should be not like that. And I know exactly why. Because this is get key, and it should be get key down. So it only happens once and not continually. Alright, let's try that again. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. So now, looking over here, yep, there we go. That's what I want. Yep. Perfect. So now we can make our new own function. Call it refresh select, yeah. And that'll just be like if state equals 3, we'll put it in a certain spot, and if it equals the other ones, we'll put it in a certain spot. We also want state to equal 3 in the beginning because you should be highlighted on Y when you start. And we're going to grab select.transform.position local position equals new vector 3, so 0. And we got, let's get this thing back, and this guy back. So we want it actually right there. So that's different than... Okay, I'm going to try local position first, and then if that doesn't work, we'll go to position. Z can just be 0, I believe, because it's a 2D object. So I'm going to put it way over here and make sure that works. Actually, wait, you know what? I'm just going to do it all at the same time. So this will go down to here. And this. And then we go to this position. Oops. Wait, did that not change? Oh, position Y changes, obviously. What the heck? Its X position is not changing. I don't know why I thought it was. Alright, back to 1. And going down here. Position Y. Come on. There we go. And then last one. And oops. Go to exit. And that's probably the first one we're going to do, actually, is exit, because that's easy one. You just cancel it out. Talk will be interesting. I think there are 4 options for that as well. Okay. Yes. And then when you do this, you just refresh select. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, let's test this. And canvas, work with me. Thank you. Alright. So we're back. And so here. There we go. It's working. Perfect. Now when I press the buttons, I don't know if you hear pressing. Okay. So now we're going to use the exit. Try to exit. If it is going, of course. Don't want it to do stuff when you're not in the shop. Key down. Key code dot Z. So once you press the Z button here, if state equals 0, going to go for exiting. So we got to cancel all of this, which means we're going to go all this equals false. The player can move. And then we don't want to set is going to false until after they leave the collision. Because otherwise, then the player will never be able to escape, because whenever you leave, it'll just take you right back to the shop. So we're gonna have to go for that, and then if we're gonna go void only if it is going, void trigger on trigger exit to, then it will make is going. Yes. Then you can get back in. Yeah. I think so. Let's try it anyway. Oh! That's broken. Oh, yeah, obviously. Dots, boom, nope. There we go. No, that doesn't look right. Yeah, okay, I'm missing. Okay. Alright, now can we go for it? Yep, we're going. Cool. Alright. There we go. We can... Perfect. Look, I'm moving around and it doesn't take me back. And then I go out and then I go back in again. Perfect. Except now we have -8 inventory. I did forget about that. Okay. Oh, I see. So here's an interesting thing. For one, I keep getting less inventory as I keep coming back in here. So that's cool. But it looks like I'm on the state that's exit, but I'm actually on state 3. So what's happening is I'm on state 3, but it's not updating the cursor. So let's change that. All we need to do is refresh, select. Yeah, I know. let's fix that negative inventory space as well. So state equals 3, and now we're going to refresh select and tell the cursor, hey, state equals 3, move to where you're supposed to be. We're also going to see what's happening also with this. Count is just getting bigger and bigger, so you need to put it to 0 every time. Now it should work. Please. Alrighty. Okay, good. Okay, look, so now it's on state 3. We have 0. We're gonna leave. Cool, go back in. There we go. So that's all working good. Let's make it where you do sounds. Sounds would be good. For, yeah, whatever. Sounds. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna grab... Okay, for one I need. audio source and make this thing do that little click sound. Art's so whack. Where are you? There you are. Click battle less. Yep, okay, I remember. So go into here, it's going to be click battle less. Okay. Don't play on a wake. And I actually need some audio clips, so I'm going to go audio clip sounds, make it an array, equals new audio clip, and we'll go shop zone, update please, no, what's wrong? Oh, I think these go here. I always forget which order they're in. Okay, update. No? Yes? Yes, we're good. Cool. Oh, it's not a public. Okay, no. It is not a public array, so I can't see it. Now I'll see it. Update, please. There we go. Now we can go click battle less. Perfect. So now what we're gonna do is get its audio component thing. Audio clip, yeah. Dot clip sound 0. So set it that sound. Then whatever it does that, we're gonna have it play. And play. Yeah. Yep. So now it should. Oh. Oh, no wonder. I knew that looked wrong. There we go. Yep. There we go. Alright. There we go. So now it makes sounds. I don't know if you can hear that super well, but it's making sounds. So that's good. I don't want it to make sounds when you're not actually moving though. So let's not refresh unless you actually change the state. Which we'll just do with an else block. Okay, yeah, you can hear it. Cool. So now it shouldn't play unless you're actually changing state. That didn't work. Oh my gosh, wait. Oh, yeah. So that's, logic is not right. There we go. You actually want it to happen not like else, but if that's actually the case. So I accidentally made it where it only played when you're not changing state, which is not what I wanted to do. I also love this little guy that Luke made. I love his little leaves. It's really great. There we go. So now I'm pressing down arrow, but look, it's not changing state. Doesn't make sense. Cool. it does make a sound when you enter, though, and I don't like that. So, is there a way I can... Maybe instead, yeah, instead of refresh select, I'm just going to do this. So I won't actually play the sound. Yep, there we go. Exit, back in, exit. Cool. What are the characters going to be as plants? Like, what do you mean? Do you mean like Sans, Papyrus, all them? I don't know why I'm just going in and out, but that's nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna make him say something. Okay, so far, right now we know only Papyrus's character. That's the only one. That's only one we Luke has, what's the word? Announced. So Papyrus is Super Brains. So there's one of them. And then there's Brux. I mean, I guess he doesn't really replace someone. He just replaces a general shopkeeper. He doesn't have a sound at the moment either, which is... So yeah, it'll be cool. Luke's got some good plans. What is image? What is this? Oh, it's the backdrop. Okay, let me rename that. Go to text. There we go. Actually, you know what? Instead of doing that, I'm going to copy one of these because then I can just have the same font and the same text size and whatever. Call this debug. Yo. Is the text that big? Yeah. Except it has a little star. There we go. And it's a little more to the side and down. There we go. There we go. So that'll be, this will be top text. Actually, when you talk, when you talk, do it doesn't matter. Okay, so what is this? This is talk text. I'm gonna set that away. Yep, basically, this whole shop is just a totally test thing. Rux will be a shopkeeper, but we don't know any of his dialogue at the moment, so yeah. Just working on putting it in the game because I hadn't for Dusttail, because I didn't need to. I totally forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah, that's right. Call this shop text. Why am I blank? Yeah, okay, here we go. There we go. Shop text equals whatever I call this, talk text. Cool. So now we can make another function. It's gotta be an enumerator. This is called filter text shop. Let's say. There we go. It's going to give me an error if I don't have at least one timed thing. Wait. Yield. Going fast. Wait 4 seconds. 10, sure, 10's fine. Dialogue needs to be a thing. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go public string, we're gonna make this an array, call it dialogue. Fitting name. This is like tropical music. I feel like I'm in tropics, even though I live in Minnesota. Okay, here we go. So I need to, okay, there's gonna be a number, int number. Done this a few times before, so it shouldn't be too bad. I is less than dialogue, whatever number I pick, the length, then I plus plus. There we go. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to. Do I need a placeholder? I don't think so. Filter, text, shop. Nope, nope, nope. Yep. No. What did I call it? Shop text. Yep. That's the component. We're gonna wipe it clean so you don't see the previous text. So this is wiping it clean right there. Then we're going to just plus equals. Oops. Yeah. Okay, plus equals plus dialogue the character, and then we're gonna have a little bit of delay. What did I do for item overworld? This is not. I didn't end up doing that. Yeah. Manage battle. That's a good one. Filter text. Also, just to show, this is like all the stuff I used for wiping or making the battle system. So it's complicated. Oh, here's some dovetail text. Need to find filter text. Functor. Filter. Okay. Show me things. Yeah, it took a lot. Took a lot of time to make the battle system. I had to revise it too. I made a battle system for, I don't know if you guys saw this, but I have loop tail videos, which I made when I first played Undertale for my friend group, which Luke is a part of, so that's why it's called Loop Tail. He introduced me to Undertale, so I thought it'd be kind of fun to do that. But yeah, I made the battle system for that. Foxy, you've seen that, that's cool. Yeah, so I made the battle system for that, and it was just a primitive kind of bare bones battle system, so I had to revise it, make it better. Like we said before, we're always learning, so Dusttail is a better engine, has a better engine than Looptail did, and Underplants is having a better engine than Dusttail, so I'm just improving things. Okay, I came here for this. This is what I needed. I think. We'll try that and see if that's too fast. Just need a certain amount of seconds to pass before the other. Well, you did good. Thank you. I don't need two Fs. There we go. Okay, let's try this. Let's get some dialogue here. This music. Alright, here we go. Dialogue. Let's say, hey, stream viewers. I'm Rux. Yep. Works. Totally not lame dialogue. This is top-notch dialogue right here. This is going in the final game. That did not work. What the heck? Oh, I know why it didn't work. Apparently, you'll actually have to, like, tell it to do this function for it to work. To actually run the function. You actually have to tell it to run the function for it to run the function. So weird. Well, I'm just dumb. Let's see. Okay, filter text shop. There we go. I think that works. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I know. Like, what a shocker, Moal. It's just like, you really have to... Unity just needs to read my mind. That didn't work either, though. That's interesting. Yeah, I know. Oof. What the heck? I'm actually super confused. Oh, okay. This is always how I program. I'm just like, wow, I'm super confused. And then I'm like, oh wait, I'm dumb. So this is an EU numerator, which means I can use stuff like this, like wait for seconds and stuff. But I have to do a thing, a specific thing to call it, which is start quarantine. Oops. That's okay. Filter text shop. Nope. Filter text shop. Okay, now work, please. Please. Why is it lagging so much? What the heck? There we go. Alright. Hey, there it is. Yeah, it's hard. Like, the simple things, like trying to detect input, sometimes it's really hard. Which is something. Alright, so that works. That's cool. We're gonna make them sound like papyrus now. So we're gonna make whatever this third element in sounds is gonna be, here's a sound. Talk text needs an audio source. And don't play on awake. Okay. So now we're going to set up the shop text. Yeah. Because I do not have a sound for Rux yet, so I need that. Apparently we got that great Papyrus in chat, so hey Papyrus. I'm honored that you, the great Papyrus himself, would come to my stream. So I'm going to change the clip to sounds 3. And then what we're going to do is go like this. Hello, Papyrus. Ooh, there we go. Oop, wait. We're good. Oh, nope, I deleted everything. So now, I'm actually going to show this as an example. So, at this point, we have the Papyrus sound playing every time. We have the Papyrus sound for playing at every character as it scrolls. But let me show you what that sounds like because it's not the greatest. And the Great Papyrus is here to use my epic idea for Cool Dude Idea Studios Inc. Don't steal my idea, Papyrus. Please. Don't steal Luke's idea. Oh. Oh. That's not right. Oh, yeah. Okay. I tried to set the sound to something that didn't exist, so that's why I didn't like that. Makes sense. I probably wouldn't like that either. Alright. Oh, that didn't sound too bad, I guess. It's worse with other things. So, what we're gonna do though is it just sounds so continual, so we're gonna make it do it every other character, so it sounds a little better. Just personal preference. If this is a little bit of weird. I don't know if you know this. Basically what it does is it outputs. It's like a division sign, but it outputs the remainder instead of a decimal or whatever. So if this remainder equals 0, because an even number divided by 2, or wait. Yeah, an even number divided by 2 has 0 remainder. So that means on every even character it'll play the higher sound, so it sounds a little better. Yeah, and that's honestly, I think that is how Toby Fox did it, because I don't think he has continual sounds like that. Spaghetti for everyone. Thank you, Papyrus. Yeah, see, that was better. That sounded better, to me at least. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we see this period right here, but it doesn't actually stop for the period. So there's kind of no pacing at the moment, so let's add some pacing. So we're gonna go much better. Yeah, see, that's why I do it. Alright, so if this character equals, I'm going to use a hashtag, then we're going to be able to space things out by adding it to the string. If that doesn't make sense, you'll see what I mean in a bit. Oh wait, should I use a hashtag for other? I might use not a hashtag, actually. Probably doesn't matter. Yeah, I like the little asterisks. I think that makes it nice. Okay, I'm gonna use this, I guess. I don't know. We'll use that one. Okay, so if it equals that, what we're gonna do is we're going to we're gonna have a little mini loop here. We're gonna go int j. It's gonna start off equaling I. J is also less than this. Dot length. And then j plus plus. Okay. So we need a placeholder, which is going to be a string. String holder, we'll call it. So what this is going to do, I need to focus here quick. Folder plus equals, okay, wait. So basically what I'm going to do, I'll even show it right here. Talk text. Nope. Oh, okay. So what I'm going to do is after this period, I'm going to add, if it'll load, after this period, I'm going to Work with me, Unity. Please. Okay. I'm going to add this and then 0.5 f. So what I'm going to make it do is that once it reads this symbol right here, it's going to go on and read this and then end at the f. So basically it's going to wait half a second before it starts on this part of the text. If that makes any sense. So it's going to check if dialog num j does not equal. Okay, we're actually going to go I plus 1 because I don't want it to get this character in it. I want it to start right here at 0. So we're going to start, if it does not equal f, then it's going to, holder I called it. Okay, plus equals this. So it's going to store that 0.5 in a string. We're going to make holder equal to play. And then what are we going to do? And then we're going to, once it does equal f, we'll go to, we need an integer to, oh yeah, then we'll yield return new, wait for seconds, holder, oh wait, oops, int dot parse. So this will turn my string into an integer, which I need that. And then we'll set I equal to j plus 1, I believe. Yeah. Alright, let's try it. Fingers crossed, first try works. Almost never does. Yep, see, there we go. Just I have too many of these or something. Yep, I got one too many of these. Ending brackets. That can be a pain to deal with. There we go, we're going. Then get to here. Okay. So that's totally wrong. Can still move though. Okay, like I said, almost never works first try. Oh, okay. Does not equal is what I needed, not an equal sign. I want it to parse or set the text if it doesn't equal that and sign. It's good dialogue though, just the and sign. Okay. Okay, so it did stop, but input string was not in the correct format. Okay, so it needs to be in a 32. Oh, wait. Triparse? What is triparse? No. That is weird. I'm not sure what's going on with it. Let me look at, I've done this before. Manage text events. Int parse. Okay. Yeah, well, okay. I'll just go int number number equals this. I think it's just having problems doing this inside of this. So I'm just going to set it to a variable instead. And then I'll wait for the number seconds. All right. We're getting there. Never works first try. All right, here we go. Yep. Nope. Why is that being weird? Why is that? I'm really lost actually. Maybe okay, well let me make sure holder is right. So it should print down here is what I mean by printing. I can print little messages to myself. So it should say 0.5 somewhere. Yeah. So that is right. Can I make it a float? Would that work better? Oops. I don't know why it'd need to be a float, but like, whatever. Right. Oh. So it just didn't like the integer, I guess. I wonder why that's worked before and it didn't work now. Either way, that works, so that's cool. I think that's good. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So there's that. Done. Alright, I need to look at shopkeeper talk. Okay. So there's burger pants or whatever. What do I want to do now? Maybe I'll go for sell. Seems like a good one because, like, you know. Actually, you know what I need to do? I need to make it so you can put multiple sentences into one string, which will be separated by a hashtag. So let's try that. We'll copy this for now. And then we'll go, this is sentence 1. I don't remember if I spelled sentence right. Sentence 1. Then you hashtag, this is sentence 2. Cool. And then, yeah, okay. So we'll go, or this. Hashtag if equals the hashtag. What will it do? It'll stop until. No, this has got to be an and. Else, if that equals that, we will wait. Okay. While don't that get key down eco.z. While that happens, we're going to yield return null. Then we'll just, that's it, I think. Yeah. But then we gotta set it back to nothing. Okay. So let's try that. And it's wrong. Get a file. Yeah, I must have forgot something. Yeah. It's curly brackets, I tell you. Now we should be able to press Z. There we go. So that's cool. That's working good. So now let's go with, hey. Hey, do you really think I want to sell or buy your junk? Top-notch dialogue here. Nope, not. We can use our sentence spacing thing. Nope, not one. Okay. So we're gonna have a boolean that says is in state. Yep, quality dialogue right here. Is in state. So when you press Z and the state equals 2, I believe is cell, you shouldn't be able to move. Is in state equals true. So the only way you can move is if is in state is false. There we go. And then we're going to go with, it should be actually pretty easy. Easier than I thought. Go to this. Okay. Hey, stream viewers, Rocks, cool, so you really think I want to buy your junk? Oh, that if yeah, that's a thing. If I just keep pressing Z, okay. How is that? Oh, I see. It's because, yeah, okay. I see. That's funny. We need state equals 2 and is not in state. There we go. Yeah, okay. That should solve the problem. Or, you know, we could just keep it in. Yeah, it's not that big of a problem, is it? Okay, there we go. Hey, stream viewers, I'm Rux. Do you really think I want to buy your junk? Nope, not one bit. Cool, now it works. I'm pressing Z, everything's good. And then I actually think there needs to be a symbol. Okay, I gotta keep track of my symbols. Okay. So this one is for sentence. No, that's bad. Spacing. This one is for sentence break, and then we'll use percent for end of dialogue back to main. So now we need another one of these. Oops, there we go. If it equals this, that means is in state equals false, and then we gotta filter text shop back to 0. I think. Put percent here. Okay. So we fixed that one problem, which is good news. Okay, hey streamers and Rux, cool. Sell. Do you really think I want to buy your junk? Nope, not one bit. Oh, interesting. Okay. So now it's just on loop because when it goes out of cell, I press Z and then it immediately takes me back into cell, which is nice. So what I could do is maybe I could go while you are pressing down Z, it's gonna wait until you get up, the key up. And then it'll start. I think that's a good way to do it. But like I said, I'm still a beginner. So we'll see. Okay, Rux, hey, do you really think I want to buy your junk? Nope, not one bit. That did not work. Perfect. So let me think here. Oops. Let me think here. So when it gets to that, it immediately goes. Actually, maybe you should have to press the button again, and then it'll take you to. Yeah. That makes sense. You have to press the button again at the end of the sentence. Eventually we'll have Rux's mouth moving as well. But at the moment he doesn't have a mouth moving string. So we're gonna leave that out for now. Do you think I want to buy your junk? Nope, not one bit. Okay. Okay. This is tricky. So we need it to when you press the button, it'll let me think here for a second. You press the button and then it won't Okay. So I want it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. You planning on making Rux an Undertale-esque sprite though? I do not know. I have no idea what Luke's. Do you mean like overworld Rux or just like in the style? Because Luke is totally in charge and of all that, so you might want to just go over the Game Jolt page and ask him. Get key up? Yeah. No, okay, these need to be switched. So it should filter the stuff, and then you can't do anything until you lift your finger up. Or press, okay. Ah, okay, I might do that in a bit. Okay, too late, yeah, honestly. But yeah, if you look at the credits in the Game Jolt page, I'm literally just the programmer. I'm basically contributing no other skills. Hey, do you really think I want to pay your junk? Nope, not one bit. That didn't work either. Huh. Maybe let me just try that. This is not a thing that you'd think of being really hard to do. Okay, he's doing. Okay. Oh. Okay, so if you're too fast, it glitches a little bit. So what we're gonna do is we're going to we're gonna have to stop the quarantine. Okay, we're gonna stop that, and then from now on, whenever I do that, oops, oh gosh, what the heck? Okay. There we go. Yeah, without the programmer, yeah, it's true. It is a vital role. The game literally wouldn't exist without a programmer. But as a consequence, I can't answer every question, unfortunately. Oop. Filter text shop. So I do need to do that. Yeah, it's a little bit of an oof. Okay, let's try this. This is giving me some grief at the moment. Which is fine, that's how programming goes. Hey, stream viewers. No. Okay. Heh. Okay. That is weird. So I need a way to like cancel. Wait, this should be. Oh, wait. No, never mind. Give me a second. Okay, this should be 1. Okay. Ugandan Knuckles. You know, speaking of memes, I don't know why, but I totally hop on. I learn about memes like a week. It always takes me a bit to learn about memes. Like Ugandan Knuckles, I didn't know what that was about until like after it was a dead meme. Okay, here we go. Hey, do you really think I want to buy your junk? Nope, not even one bit. Oh, that worked. Okay. Kind of. Okay, that kind of worked. I can't move no now, but okay. Yeah, it's an oof. I am not a, in the know. Okay, oops. Okay, exit. That didn't work. Huh. That is interesting. That is very interesting. The shortest time it took to learn, yeah, a few days. Memes spread so fast, but for some reason I never learn about them. Actually, to learn about them, I usually look at, I don't know if you guys know this channel, it's like Behind the Meme. So that's how I learn about my memes. The history. That meme was the, yeah, see, the big chungus, I don't even know what that's all about. I'm so out of the loop. Okay. Yeah, I gotta figure that out one of these days. You have a friend who's all about memes, Foxy. Yeah, a lot of people, I like memes, but just look up Big Chungus right now. I'll have to do it after the stream. Maybe next stream we can talk about Big Chungus. I've seen pictures though. I mean, it looks funny. I don't know what it's about, but alright, big stream viewers. Exit. Okay, so still at the moment, if you do too fast, it breaks. But I don't know how to do that right now. Big Chungus podcast. Alright. I'll have to look that up. So... yeah, Bugs Bunny, yeah, okay. This is way harder than I thought. Okay. So I want you to press down, press up, and then... yeah, he's a giant bunny. Yeah, he looks... gotta say, he looks pretty giant. So this doesn't work? Question mark. Actually, you know what would be a better idea if I just wait a second. Wait. Oh, come on. Let me type this. Wait for seconds. 1. Boom. Oh, yeah, hence the name. Fair enough. Okay. Hey, do you really think I want to buy your junk? No, not one bit. Oh, okay. That worked. One bit. So it goes back to... okay. So now I just need to figure out how to make it cancel each other so it doesn't get all messed up. Okay. Alright. So if you're too fast, it's gonna get all messed up. Oh. Well, it did. Okay. Interesting. Wait, why can't I do my inventory? What the heck? What's up with that? Now I can. I need to fix that. Yeah, if I press C, it doesn't do my inventory. That is not great after after the shop. You want to check your inventory after the shop. Alright, let's go into Manage Player. This is everything I need for Manage Player. It's pretty big too. Okay. If can move, can invent. Why is that false? Why is that false? Now it's good. Interesting. Okay, so all I need to do is when you exit, I just gotta make can invent true again. Go into here. Can invent equals to perfect. Drops back. Perfect. Alright, so we got some good work done today. We got all this done, which is really nice. And you can ask to sell. It's like, nope, I don't want that. It's lame. And you can exit. And if you have more than, like, let's see, sword, or sure, swow. Sure, that's fine. Boop, boop, boop. So now we have 5 schwoes, which just defaults to the stick. So I'm gonna equip this, yeah. Just defaults to the stick stats. Now it says we only have 6 of 8. So that's good. It says how much gold we have as well, which is nice. Like if we have 999,999, it's gonna get all, yep, perfect. But actually, is that a problem? Nope, never mind, not a problem. Cool, so here's some cool stuff. I'm gonna have to do a stream another time, probably, to work on this more. It might even take another 2 streams, or just 1 stream, I'm not sure. It's kind of a, not super complex, it's just time consuming. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, it was fun. We got some stuff done. So I will see you all later. Thank you for tuning in.